Hello, my name is Adam Kless, Chairperson of the Burke Catholic Physical Education Department. With me are the two teachers which make up the Physical Education Department, Ms. Kelly Newhart and Mr. Pat Harris. Physical education curriculum is designed with the students' physical, mental, emotional, and social well-being in mind. Physical education is a half-credit required course taken each year. In addition, each student will be required to take one semester of health education, typically during their sophomore year, in order to graduate. Physical education is an important part of the student's overall educational experience here at Burke Catholic. It is our goal to see that each student will not only have fun, but more importantly, learn the benefits of an active, healthy lifestyle and begin to develop good health habits which will enhance their overall level of wellness now and quality of life in the future. Thank you for choosing Burke Catholic. We look forward to seeing each of you in physical education and health class. Thank you.